We're gonna make banana pudding, which is a delicious layered dessert of pudding, bananas, cookies, pudding, banana, cookies, whipped cream. And take the whole recipe up a notch by setting it on fire. Bananas Foster, they're intense. They're gonna be so good in our banana pudding.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
We got some milk here. We're gonna put it in a pan. We're gonna make it warm. We are cracking some eggs. Oh yeah, and we're separating them because we want just the yolks for this recipe. We're just sort of passing the yolk back and forth between our fingers, which are slightly spread apart. All right, we're gonna take these whites and we're gonna save them for the omelet that I'm having tomorrow morning. I might just put bananas in it. Let's whisk up these yolks. Very nice. So we're gonna make our cornstarch slurry with the egg yolks. Let's incorporate all that cornstarch. So now the cornstarch is completely incorporated into the eggs, and that means no matter what liquid we have, we're not gonna have clumpy cornstarch. Adding cream. Here we go. Coming in with our sugar, coming in with some salt. All right, so we got sugar, we got cream, we got our cornstarch mixed into the egg yolks. We've got a nice homogeneous mixture here. We don't want our eggs to scramble, so we've got to temper them. That means we bring the temperature up slowly rather than quickly heating. Best way to do that is with a ladle and some warm milk. And we just stir while pouring in the hot milk until it brings the temperature up a bit. You don't want them to scramble. Now we're gonna do the inverse. We're gonna pour our egg mixture into the milk while moving the milk, so there's no shock to the system. So now the heat's gonna work with the cornstarch and start to thicken this slowly. The gentlest simmer is what we're looking for. I mean, you can start to see how thick it's getting. I'd say this looks great. Even if you did the absolute best job you possibly can tempering the eggs, sometimes you get little bits of lumpiness. And if you've got a sieve to put it through, it's just gonna bring you right back to smooth, smooth, smooth. We're gonna add in some vanilla now. We'll just mix that right in. Ho, 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 ho. Freaking beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, we can see. I'm putting plastic wrap on top of the pudding so it doesn't form a skin. And I'm just gonna leave it out on the counter right here like this until it cools down enough for me to put it in the fridge. It's time for the banana part of our banana pudding. And that, of course, means making Bananas Foster, which starts with 2 packets from the honey drawer. And put our honey into our pan. Gonna add a little butter to this. Some brown sugar as well. So that's gonna come together and melt. Great. Let's cut up some bananas. We wanna get as many bananas into the pan as we possibly can, but we also want them to be in one single layer. Let's get some bananas into our sugary, buttery sauce. Let's just flip these bananas over very gently, one at a time. We don't want to overcook it. We want them to keep their shape. They will disintegrate otherwise. We're gonna add a little rum to this. It's gonna give us a deep, dark, rich flavor. It's also gonna add for a whole bunch of excitement. We wanna be extra safe. So we pull the rum away from our fire and we add the rum to our bananas. And then, in an act of controlled combustion, we will light it. There we go. But the alcohol is burning off. So we're just gonna get the rich distilled flavor of rum alcohol-free. And when that combines with the sugar, butter, honey, and bananas, whew, alcohol's burned off once you see no more flame. You know, I'm getting that like oaky barrel aroma from the rum, which is alcohol-free now. Oh, forget about it. While these cool down, let's make some whipped cream. And I'm gonna employ the brand new whipped cream maker that I've got. My arm. So you just start with some cold, heavy whipping cream, put it right into a bowl. No big deal. And then with a whisk, you just start whipping the air into it. And I wish it were more exciting than this, but this is really all it is. Some people add sugar to their whipped cream. I think we've got a lot of sweetness happening between the bananas and the pudding. So I'm just gonna go pure whipped cream. Plain, simple, delicious. The cream has been whipped. Now let's crush up our cookies. And the easiest way to crush up cookies is to put them into a bag so you can see them. I like to leave it a little bit open on the side, and then you can just use the back of your bowl and crush them up. So I'm using some vanilla wafers here. They're delicious, but you can use any little crunchy kind of cookie. This looks ready. We've got all the components to make our banana pudding, so now we assemble. All right, I'm coming in with my cookies. Coming in with my pudding. Coming in with my bananas. Now we do the whole thing again. Coming in with another layer of cookies. Another layer of pudding. Final layer of bananas. whipped cream. Beautiful. Tiny little bit of cookie here. Beautiful. Wow. It's $1.87 a serving. You can see all the layers. It's very aesthetically pleasing, and I love that it is an individual portion for moi. Let's dig in. All right, let's go through the fossil record. Look at that. Ah! We got our banana, we got our pudding, we got our cookie crumble, we've got our whipped cream. The whole gang is here. The pudding is smooth and luxurious. And then the banana flavor hits you. Is this a banana that came off of a pirate ship and lasted 500 years fermenting into something amazing? The flavor is intense, and this is very clearly a banana pudding once you hit those flambéed bananas. Then you get to the cookie crumble, and you're like, ooh, who are these guys in there? And then finally, we've got the whipped cream. Airy, fluffy, light, and the perfect addition to the pudding and bananas. Holy smokes, make this.